How to use ComIDP Intelligent Image Processing tools. Start by navigating to the ComIDP Demo Center page. Locate the Intelligent Image Processing section on the page. This module includes two tools: Image Distortion Correction, Image Enhancement. 1. Image Distortion Correction. Click on Image Distortion Correction to enter the online demo interface. Click the Upload Your File button to upload the image that needs correction. After a few seconds, the corrected image will appear on the right-hand side of the page. You can directly copy the corrected image or click the Download button to save the corrected image. 2. Image Enhancement. Click here to switch to the Image Enhancement tool. Click Upload Your File to upload the image that needs quality enhancement. Once the image is uploaded, the enhanced version will be displayed on the right-hand side. You can copy the enhanced image or click the Download button to save the final result. That's all. See you next time.